to talk about complement of a set. Okay, what is a complement means? Complement means if I talk about set A, okay, set A, inside the set A I'll write the elements 1 2 4 5. Okay, 1 2 4 5, these are the elements belongs to set A. Outside of set A I'll write 3 and 6. Okay, 3 and 6, this is our notation of set. Then in here, when we need to find number of, okay, number of A, okay, number of A, that would be 4. Number of A, that would be 4. And a number of A complement, okay, number of A complement. A complement means outside of A, okay, A complement. This is the notation we are using. A, if there is a small slanted line on the top, okay, small slanted line on the top. So number of A complement, that means outside of A. How many elements outside of A? That would be 2. Okay, that would be 2. And when we correlate this thing with probability, okay, now we were talked about the number of A, number of A complement, that means the elements belongs to set A and A complement. Then when we talk about the probability, okay, probability of getting the sample space, okay, probability of getting the sample space, that should be always 1, okay, always 1. Probability of getting the sample space, that should be always 1. So here we are going to find the probability of getting A complement. That's our question. What is the probability of getting A complement? To find that, we know probability of S, okay, probability, the total probability, okay, total probability of getting the sample space, that would be equals to probability of A plus probability of A complement, probability of A and probability of A complement. Okay, in these kind of sets, you should know this probability of getting sample space, that would be equals to probability of A and probability of A complement. Here we already know that probability of S, that is 1, that is 1. So to get this one, I'll write that over here. Okay, I'll denote that over here. That would be like this. Probability of getting the sample space, that's always 1. Okay, the total probability, that means 100% we are going to receive anything A or A dash, that should be inside our sample space. So that's equals to probability of A plus probability of A complement. Finally, our question, what is our question? To find probability of A complement. To find the probability of A complement, what do we need to do is, from the total, okay, from the total, you should subtract the region belongs to probability of A. Probability of A complement, that would be equals to, okay, this one equals to 1 minus this, okay, 1 minus probability of A, 1 minus probability of A. By using this equation, we can find probability of A complement or B complement. Okay, according to the set notation, we can identify the complement of each respective region.